This week we're taking care of business at home and on the boat. After putting the trailer in order, we collect a ton of packages, including ones from viewers like you. Things are moving smoothly until we discover our chain plate bolts don't fit in the holes. 2 years ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged boat with the dream of sailing her around the world. Together with our kids, we've been learning, laughing, and working to make this dream come true. This is the story of our adventures on a sailboat named Spoondrifter. Should you do your hair?
Sure did. Look good.
We have been experimenting with our hair. I've decided short hair is the way to go, and Todd's decided that maybe long hair is the way to go.
Just leave it alone, man. Just leave it alone. 20 minutes ago I told them to get up and get dressed, and now that I'm over here folding clothes at the bed, they decide they have to get into the drawer. Chop chop! Let's go!
They're moving pretty slow this morning.
I'd say they're probably cold-blooded like lizards and flies,
So we just got back late last night, from helping out my parents. Both of my parents aren't doing super well and have been in and out of the hospital, and I spent last week with the girls up there helping them out. And Todd and Gabe were down here at the trailer, hence the kind of disaster area that it is, plus adding all the stuff we just brought back. Are you liking your long hair better or your short hair?
Long hair.
Would you like me to put it in braids today? We divide regular chores amongst the kids, but work together to put things in order when they get out of control. Our trailer is only 31 feet long, less than 300 square feet. There we go. You get a banana. Over the past 6 years, we've learned a lot about living with less, and this should translate well to boat life. You do something with the poo-poo stick?
What do you want me to do with it?
It doesn't belong on our freezer.
Can I chase you down with it?
Gross! It doesn't go in with our food storage either.
Where does it go then?
Outside in the...
It's too long.
No, it's not. Gotta keep an eye on these guys all the time. Wow, look how fast we cleaned. Doesn't it look awesome? This is one of the beauties of living in an RV, is that in 15 minutes we can have it pretty much picked up. Still gotta do the dishes and put away some more laundry from the trip, but I think we're ready to head to the boat.
Let us go, let us go, let us go to the boat.
What? That's weird. So go open the boat up, make sure the air conditioner's on. We've got packages at our mail center. We've been ordering like crazy fiends to get everything we need. And every couple of days they call and say, hey, you've got 1 million packages, come get them. So they don't open until 9 and they close at 4. And they're not open on Saturday and Sunday. So when we're really busy and in the middle of things, we have to take time off to go get the packages.
The router base.
I have no idea.
More spreader boots that don't fit. What have you got, Abigail? My new lens for my camera.
Can I open this one back here?
Why don't we wait till we get to the boat yard? Yeah, the Magic Anti-Foul.
This is a brand that I'm
Yes.
so excited about.
Yes, we'll see how well that works.
Well, it sure as heck looks like it works better than prop speed.
Binoculars.
That's gotta be
Hey.
That's from a viewer.
Yeah.
Is there a gift receipt in there?
There is no gift receipt. Sweet! Thank you for whoever sent us the binoculars off our Amazon wish list. Pretty much know what this is. We have a sail that we bought for our boat that's cut to fit our boat, but the luff tape size is different than our rolling furler. So we have to change it out. And rather than buying a different Genoa, we thought we would get our hands wet with the Sailrite sewing machine, get rid of the old luff tape, put the new luff tape on.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine, right? And a marine nav lamp. This says Hasbro. Is this a toy for me? I know what this is. And that is a recessed shower. This is heavy duty. Feel that. That sucker weighs a lot. I just might come over here and shower on the boat. This is why Amazon gets a bad rap, right? What's in here? It had to be shipped in a long container. That's the problem when you're ordering so much stuff. You don't remember what the heck it was you ordered. A boat hook.
That's from our
Sweet.
Amazon list too. And what's in the big box?
That is Tammy's welder. Tammy is going to learn to weld. And so I bought her this welder so that she can weld our bimini top and our stainless steel stuff and any other steel stuff. And she's gonna make money for us while we cruise by welding for other cruisers. Isn't that awesome? It's not a heavy duty welder. It will run on 110. It'll be a handy little thing to have to work on things. Ooh.
That's off our wish list too.
Sweet. This is a diesel filter for filling up our diesel fuel tank for our generator. Awesome. Thanks so much for that. You know, we really, really love our fans. You all are incredible. Not they, you guys are incredible. And little things like that show up occasionally just kind of make our day and remind us that we're not alone and what we're doing is okay to some people. So we appreciate it. Thank you very much.
So let's just work on organizing and putting things in the garbage. Looks pretty good, girls. What's the matter?
Well, when they make these, they have to heat them up, I think. Some of the holes are a little smaller than the bolt.
2 holes fit and 1 doesn't? That's a little strange.
Well, because when they heat shrink them, it changes the properties on the metal a little bit, and so the holes will change in size, right?
No, I don't have any idea if that's right or not.
Well, you take a piece of plastic and you put it in the oven and it shrinks down to this little thing that's called a shrinky dink. You know, when you heat metal, it expands, and then when it cools, it contracts again. The rate wasn't consistent on the center hole. So it shrunk a little smaller than the outside ones, I think. So the question is, how easy is it to drill through titanium? I think I can go get a drill bit and just kind of, oh, that one doesn't go in at all. So the question is just going to grab it and try to yank it out of my hand. Look at that.
That was all we needed.
So maybe there's just a little burr on the top. Whew, it's warm.
That's going to be a slow process.
Yes, it can be. This drill press is not very powerful. It doesn't, the minute it grabs at all, it stops the motor. So that's why I'm not concerned about clamping my thing down to the table and all that kind of stuff.
This is the problem with not testing things when you get them, or we could have sent them back and had them fixed.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down and get some oil.
Are they all like that? It's a middle hole on all of them?
No, it's all three on this one.
This hole doesn't fit, this hole doesn't fit. These ones do. This one doesn't fit, none of these fit. This one doesn't fit, none of those fit.
Look at that! Man! Might have been able to do all these this way. Let's see if these will work.
So hats off to Steve. As we climbed out of the boat trying to go figure out what to do, he suggested that we try this Dremel tool. Seems to be working.
I'm just using a little sanding disc on it. Working pretty good so far.
Four more holes, and they need a lot more work.
Did you have shot me a small shot noodle? Perfect. It's perfect. Today, the drill press paid for itself. Again. It is a little powerless or a little gutless, so you have to really finesse it. But I got this at Harbor Freight for like 65 bucks. This right here, you know what this is called?
What?
A rust bucket.
In our last episode, we installed our mizzen chain plates without any problems. These chain plates are for the main mast. Now that we've got the bolts fitted, it's time to install them.
This is how much room I'm going to have to tighten the chain plate bolts in this one.
It's okay, guys, don't fret. The fiberglass here is 1.5 inches thick, and it came from the factory with big washers. We don't need backing plates.
Hard to get your hands in there.
I gotta do it the old-fashioned way 'cause I can't get it rolling.
Ready for the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they're squeezing out some butyl. Well, we're almost done. We have 2 more to go, but we are missing 4 washers for the inside nuts. Always something. You may just leave this here?
Hey, thanks for hanging in to the end. We really appreciate you doing that. Be sure you like and subscribe as it helps us grow. And if you'd like to help us even more, consider becoming a patron.